It's the afternoon of October 15, and it looks like all the steel work is in place. And these are the tiebacks. They've already got some of the outside form in place. We have 2 tiebacks here, not including the 2 that are actually the ends of the work. All of this is number 5 rebar and 60 grade. We have 3 courses from the bottom, and then I've got 1 piece of 60 grade at the top. Between the 2 trees right here, I have 1 bar that goes all the way to the top. I'm going to put a little kicker, just about a 6-inch curve up top, so that if I wheel any machinery in here by hand, that if I go too far, it won't actually end up going down the hill. That's about a 45-degree pitch. So looks like all the steel work's in, and they are just closing the stuff up right now. And this is the front. And give you some point of reference. This is the front of the workshop.